Boom! There it is. Okay, so let me pull it out. I'm in Georgia now. That video, the other videos were shot in California. Like I said, it's 5 years later. It's February 2019. I think those were shot in October 2014. So there you see it. It's pretty much done. I mean, you never know if you're really done with shop furniture. Matter of fact, 2 days ago or a day and a half ago, I added a few things. But what you got is my shop vac on the bottom and my dust deputy on the top. And I've got my handle on it. It's hinged. I've just got the original, it was like 2-inch thick foam insulation that I just cut a hole in that and used that as my gasket, I'm calling it, to seal, to make a good seal on this lid. I've got my shop vac accessories attached to it with just 2 1/4-inch hole saw cutouts, which worked pretty well. Holds everything in place as much as it needs to. And then a couple things hanging on the back, brushes, bracket for the wire. These are also shop vac, hole saw cutouts. That's the hole, and then there's the knot all the way through, and it just kind of worked out. I didn't realize I had a hole saw that would fit so perfectly. But there you go. A lot of screws, a lot of glue. Actually, half-lapped the little just bracket. Well, I don't know what you call the struts in the bottom. And I think it's got like 1.5-inch casters or something. They're not locking. I just got them for cheap at Home Depot or Lowe's, one of those two places. And this works really well. I went vertical, and the whole reason I made this thing was because all the other videos of people making shop vac dust deputy carts, they were always big and on the ground. They were they took up all this floor space. I decided all I really wanted to do was go up, because in a small shop like mine, all right, 2-car garage now, it was a 1-car garage back in California. I've got more space now, but in a small shop, space is at a premium, so everything I've got is on wheels. And I wanted it to go up so that I would reduce my footprint on the ground. And everybody else's carts put the dust deputy in the collection canister next to the shop vac, and so you ended up with, well, twice the footprint, basically. Anyway, that is the finished product. Hopefully, some people will get something out of this. And as far as I can tell, this is since I made this, I've noticed a few other people have got the idea on YouTube anyway and made some videos about it. Much more professional videos than mine. But as far as I know, I was the first person on YouTube to come out with an idea like this instead of just doing them on the ground next to each other. So there you go. That is my shop vac mobile dust deputy tower cart rolling stock thingamajigger. And this is the last video for this project. Bye-bye.